Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to touch base the robust Netsuite Integrator's error handling system. So here we are picking up this error which is there in this where cache sale is not created because of the field location. So usually this error comes up when we have a form entered in the integrator in the configuration page which has the location field mandatory. A similar errors can also compile or come up or pop up later on with the different values which would be mandatory on the form which is used to create the transaction, which can be a cash sale, sales order, or an invoice. So in this scenario, what we have to do, you can completely come and hover on to the exclamation sign to check what exactly is the error. And to handle this up, you need to come to the field mapping of the integrator and make sure that you come and map that field on which the error is being posed in the integrator. To check what is the correct NSID in NetSuite, that is the NetSuite internal ID, we need to go to the NetSuite and check what location we want on the cash sale to be transmitted with the order which goes from Shopify to NetSuite via robust NetSuite Integrator. So we are going to pick up NSID 1 here, going to come back to the app, click on the fields mapping. Since this is a standard field, so we are going to add a standard field, select location and set a value as 1. Since this is a success, so we can come back to the auto log page and resubmit the order. If this location would be correct, the order would be transmitted to NetSuite and the status will show as accepted by NetSuite. But in case if any of the reason the location is not correct or is not in the correct subsidiary, it can pop up in another error as per the rules and regulation and the wireframe that is followed in the NetSuite. So we are waiting for the time this order gets submitted to NetSuite and see, okay, so it shows success error. That means the order is already sent to NetSuite. So this is how you can rectify the location mapping in robust NetSuite Integrator. Thanks for watching.